Now, in the unfortunate tragedy, the blame game continues. The Aam Aadmi Party MLAs and councillors are set to protest. The Aam Aadmi Party plans to protest at the LG Secretariat. The Aam Aadmi Party MLAs will stage a dharna at 1 p.m. today. The Aam Aadmi, remember, has blamed the LG's office and the BJP for the tragedy. My colleague Priyank continues to stay live with us. In fact, he was at the tragedy site just hours after the incident took place. And Priyank, it's unfortunate that the politics continues. The blame game continues. The Delhi LG has asked for a report. The Aam Aadmi Party MLAs and councillors are going to be protesting outside the Delhi LG's office. But the question is, in this blame game, who is suffering? It's finally the people of Delhi who continue to suffer. In this case as well, lives have been lost, but the politics continues.
Yes, Sati, and it's the students, the life of the students. You can see Pratibha, one student was from UP, another from Telangana and Kerala. So the whole stretch of the country has been covered by this tragedy. There was a complaint copy which we have got to know, where the complaint was given earlier, but it was quite clearly ignored. आप लोग क्या सोच रहे हैं? मतलब how far you people will be suffering in these kind of situations?
मतलब इन सबसे मेन बात है यार, कोई आपको कंप्लेंट दे रहा है तो आप उस कंप्लेंट में कम से कम कोई भी डिपार्टमेंट उस पर एक बार एक्शन लेके देख तो लो यार, सीरियस नेचर का है या नहीं. इन्होंने तो कुछ एक्शन लेने की सोचा ही नहीं.
मजबूरी क्या रहती है? मान लीजिए इंस्टीट्यूट में आपने पैसा दे दिया, आप यहाँ पे आ गए, उनको बोले बेसमेंट पढ़ो, छत पे पढ़ो, आपके लिए क्या मजबूरी हो जाती है?
हमारे लिए मजबूरी है कि मतलब यहाँ पे रेगुलेशन ही नहीं है इनके पास. हम बेसमेंट में मजबूरी में पढ़ना पड़ रहा है. कौन बेसमेंट में पढ़ के राजी है? बेसमेंट में आप पढ़ोगे, सफोकेशन सबको होता है. पूरा जिंदर नगर की लाइब्रेरी, पटेल नगर, शादीपुर, पूरे जो स्टूडेंट एरिया वहाँ पे सारी लाइब्रेरी अंडरग्राउंड होती है, तो हमें सफोकेशन इजिली होता है. अगर वही लाइब्रेरी फर्स्ट फ्लोर सेकंड फ्लोर पे तो उस लाइब्रेरी में जाएंगे ना. अवेलेबिलिटी नहीं है हमारे.
घर से दूर आ गए, पैसा दे दिया, कहीं जाने का रास्ता नहीं,
कुछ रास्ता नहीं,
प्रेशर ज्यादा है.
प्रेशर ज्यादा है. और यहाँ पे आपको देख सकते हैं, बोला जाता है कि अंडरग्राउंड में अगर कोई चीज है उसके 2 एग्जिट पॉइंट तो होने चाहिए ना, कि अगर कुछ हो जाता है इशू इमरजेंसी में. पर पूरे लाइब्रेरी में हर जगह सिर्फ एक एग्जिट पॉइंट होता है.
मैं ये पूछना चाह रहा हूँ कि मजबूरी कितनी ज्यादा रहती है स्टूडेंट्स पे, प्रेशर बहुत रहता है, उसके बाद ऐसे हालत में बैठने के लिए बोला जाता है, तो क्या मेंटली क्या चलता है?
मेंटली तो बहुत प्रेशर रहता है, क्योंकि हमें घर वालों ने पैसा लगा रखा है. हम उनकी हमें एक इन्वेस्टमेंट है, हमें पैसा दे रहे हैं, हम इधर पढ़ रहे हैं. यार हम उस इन्वेस्टमेंट को पढ़ने में सोचते हैं चल कोई ना, घर वाले भी इतना मैनेज कर रहे हैं तो हम इस लाइब्रेरी के सफोकेशन के लेके झेल लेंगे, कोई ना थोड़ी देर की बात तो पढ़ लेंगे यार. थोड़े दिन का टाइम है, 1 साल 1.5 साल में हो जाएगा तो बढ़िया इजी लाइफ रहेगी, घर वाले सब स्मूथ रहेंगे. उस इतना मेंटली प्रेशर हमें झेलना पड़ता है.
This is what I wanted to hear from them, that there is pressure of obviously of the country's biggest examination, and they think that let it go like this, chalta hai to chalta hai, because we have to study, we have to prepare ourselves, we have to give our best result, and that forces these students to go into the basement which has taken their life.
Okay, all right. You know, Priyank, just a little while ago, we also heard one of the students saying that we may not be the vote bank. Is that the reason why their pleas are being ignored by the politicians? Stay with us. Amid the anger over Delhi coaching centre tragedy, the BJP has also decided to stage a protest. The BJP will in fact be raising the issue in the parliament as well, and the party is all set to also stage a protest in front of the Aam Aadmi Party office. Massive outrage, students have been protesting, the BJP deciding to raise the issue of the Delhi coaching centre tragedy in the budget session of the parliament, and also protest outside the Aam Aadmi Party office in Delhi.
जी हमारे साथ है प्रवीण जी. जिस तरीके से हमने देखा कि जल भराव हुआ है और लोगों के जो बच्चे हैं उनकी मृत्यु हुई है, who do you hold responsible for this?
It is something very unfortunate that this type of incident has occurred in the state capital, and all the officers who are responsible for this tragedy should be accounted for, and most rigorous punishment should be awarded to them. It is really very unfortunate that the Delhi government and both MCD have taken a very callous attitude toward this, and they have to take responsibility.
But do you think that there is some solution to it, because these things keep happening and no one is held accountable for such things, and students are also protesting?
See, I am keeping saying that this position is not for the first time in this year. Since last more than 9 years, when the Arvind Kejriwal government has taken reins of Delhi government, every year wherever there is rainfall, such instance happens. So therefore I just want to ask one simple question: what steps have been taken by Delhi government to meet such kind of things in the last 9 years? I am sorry.
Where is the accountability? Where does the buck stop? This remains a top focus story on Times Now. We continue getting you these voices as well as ground reports. Very quick break now. We'll be right back.